Hi, my name is Patrick James and I'm an applications engineer at Hawkridge Systems. In today's video, I'll be saving predefined drawing views as well as cropping an alternate position view. Here I've built a cabinet in assembly, and this one has three different door positions: the open position, the 45-degree position, and finally the closed position. I intend to toss this into a drawing document. And here in my drawing, I can choose my views, and if these are ones I'm going to want to use later, maybe for similar projects, I can go ahead and save them out into the template. So as this drawing loads up, I'll go ahead and go to the view palette, toss in an isometric view, and change the display style to go shaded with edges on this one. And then I'll also drop in a dimetric and a trimetric view. Now, new in 2022, we have the option to have both the dimetric, trimetric, and if it's a sheet metal part, a flat pattern view, be saved out into a predefined view. So I'm going to save this as a template, click Save, give it a name here. And then once this goes through, notice that my views have essentially disappeared and will have kind of these dotted boxes. And that's showing that this is now a template and this is going to be my predefined views. So I'll go ahead and close this out and navigate back on over to my assembly document and make a new drawing from this just to show how my new template works. I'll pick my new template, hit OK, and once this loads up, all three of those views should be in there just how I left them. While this is loading up, I can think about some different ways to display all of my different door positions. Could have multiple drawing views, but what I can do instead is pick the one drawing view and use what's called an alternate position view. This will allow me to pick different configurations within the same drawing view. So I'll drop in my 45-degree to complement my open, and then do it one more time here and choose my closed position. With this, it's going to show all three positions within the one view. Now, admittedly, this one looks a little bit cluttered, so I can go ahead and sketch a rectangle, and we can go ahead and crop this view. Maybe I only want to see up near the hinge, so I'll delete the rest of the view with a crop view. And that looks a little bit better, a little bit less cluttered. Let us know what videos you'd like to see next in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more Hawkridge video content.